loves, Julia is here, and in today's video I decided to show you summer makeup, hair and outfit idea, and you can probably that use if you like, and or maybe you just can get an inspiration from it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Write in the comments what is your favorite thing about summer, and let's go.
So I apply CC cream to my skin because it is so much lighter, and I don't really like so much makeup on my skin, so then I apply eyebrow shadows to my eyebrows. I apply light eyeshadows under my eyebrows, then I apply orange eyeshadows to my crease, and then I apply these eyeshadows to my lids. And I apply mascara to my eyelashes, and now I'm failed, but that's okay. And I apply lip balm to my lips. As you can see, it has color, so it's not just a simple lip balm, it is colored lip balm. And that's my final look. For my hair, I decided to leave them natural, so this is how my look looks like. For my dress, I decided to wear this beautiful blue dress, and it is really good for summer because it has open shoulders.
So thank you so much for watching. That was my makeup, hair and outfit for the summer days, you know, kind of summer look. And write in the comment, what should you write in the comments? Thumbs up for this video, don't forget to subscribe, and bye!